today. Today we want to talk about the SAR AB. This is a auto lock rope descender device. You can use it for descending and raising and lowering operations as well. This is a very safe product. It's rated for 300 kilos, which is way above the rescue load of 200 kilos. It is EN certified and it is made in the UK. It's very easy to use. As you can see, it's a hands-free operation for braking, and if you want to go down, all you have to do is just pull on the lever and you can go down. It also has 2 friction modes. Currently this is set at the low friction mode or high speed, and for rescue you put it to the high friction mode or low speed. So it also has a friction panic brake where if I press too much it will also jam like so. Okay? You control the live rope or the working rope with your right hand. This is a very simple device, and to lock off, all you have to do is put a bite through your carabiner and put it through the gap over here, and then it's fully locked off. You cannot release it. It's a very simple device. Okay. To release it, all you have to do is just open all this and then go right down. You can check out more SAR products at our website, legionproducts.com.